for the series Cooking on Spirit. We have some cake on the stove. It's an oat flour banana cake. We did it already once and was incredible, so we're trying again. These are the ingredients, and we put the recipe that we took from Pinterest in the description. We didn't change much, only the sugar content. And for lunch we are doing some vegan dumplings. We have some dumpling sheet that we bought in Panama. They are frozen. We have some filling that is crumbled tofu, lots of veggie, and then I put a few powder to give some taste. It was garlic, onion, turmeric, crushed pepper, a bit of this lemon pepper. What else? Yeah, we put this black salt that has a very sulfuric taste, a bit of pepper, a bit of salt, and you can see that black flakes are nori flakes, so I just took the nori and I blended, so it would be a bit fishy. I just oiled some plates, so hopefully they will not stick after being made. And I have a little how do you call it, stamp, boom, to seal them. Let's see how it works. Good luck to me. So one of the biggest challenge that I didn't think about is to separate the dumpling sheet, and then I found out that closing them by hand and then just securing the edges with the ravioli maker was easier. Last one. Yeah, the edges are getting so dry, but I can make it faster than what I'm doing. But yeah, what I did a couple of days ago was to cook a lot of veggie, so I had more room in the fridge for the provisioning, and I had some job done for days like today where I want to put my energy in doing something different. Check the cake with the toothpick. Oh, look at this. Perfect. Perfecta. I'm a bit scared about boiling them. I would not like them to fall apart. Dumplings are staying in shape. Plates are ready. Let's cut one so we see what happened. Chop chop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Are you ready, Abby?
Yeah, born ready.
Good. Get your plate. Let's go out. This is the cake. Not sure why there are these darker things. I didn't put any chocolate. Maybe it's the banana. I don't know. It looks so yummy. We are so lucky. All made in this oven, like just a pan on top of the stove, minimum heat. And look, in paradise. Fruit is still drying as much as we can, and then we'll stick it in a jar, glass jar. Yeah, nice hot from Spain.